How do you calculate the surface area of a prism? Imagine wrapping a box with paper. How much paper would you need? That's exactly what calculating the surface area of a prism is all about. It helps us find out how much material covers the shape. To figure this out, you need to add up the area of every face on the shape. A prism has two identical bases and several rectangular sides connecting those bases. The main idea is to find the area of the bases and the sides, then add everything together. The general formula for the surface area of a prism is 2 times the area of one base plus the perimeter of the base times the height of the prism. Think of it like this. You find the area of one base, then double it because there are 2 bases. Next, you find the perimeter of the base shape, which is the total length around it. Multiply that by the height of the prism to get the area of the side faces that wrap around. Finally, add these 2 parts together to get the total surface area. Let's break it down step by step. First, you find the area of one base. If the base is a rectangle, multiply length by width. If it's a triangle, use half of the base times the height. For other shapes, use the appropriate area formula. Next, find the perimeter of the base. Add all the side lengths together. This tells you how long the edges are around the base. Then, multiply the perimeter by the height of the prism. This gives you the total area of the rectangular faces that go around the shape. These faces are like the sides of a box. To finish, add twice the base area to this lateral area. This accounts for both bases and all the side faces. For example, if you have a triangular prism with sides of B and C and a base height of BH, the base area is 1/2 times BH. The perimeter is a plus B plus C. The total surface area becomes the base area times 2 plus the perimeter times the height. If you have a rectangular prism with length L, width W, and height H, the surface area formula is simpler. 2 times the area of the length times width, plus 2 times the length times height, plus 2 times the width times height. This covers all 6 faces of the shape. Knowing how to calculate the surface area helps in many real-life tasks. For example, it tells you how much paint you need to cover a box or a tank. It also helps when buying materials to wrap or cover objects. Remember, breaking down the shape into flat faces makes the calculation easier. Find each face's area, then add everything up for the total surface area.